Hello and welcome. So let's take a look at a new service, which is the OCI Document Understanding service. Now, as the name suggests, we are talking about documents here, right? So it is the OCI Document Understanding, right? The best thing to understand it would be that if you actually take a look at this in terms of ingestion, we are storing the documents inside either OCI object storage or the local storage. Now we pass that or input that to the OCI document understanding service, and same like OCI Vision, we can either use the pre-trained models or we can actually customize our own models. And then the results are stored inside a JSON, again inside an OCI object storage, and then we can integrate with other OCI key services like Autonomous Database, Oracle Apex and all. So what exactly is document understanding? So first of all, we need to remember that the OCI document understanding is built upon the OCI Vision service, where we saw that how if you upload an image, right, it's able to extract the information and analyze the information, and it's even able to extract certain objects out of that image. So the OCI document understanding provides automated document processing. Now just imagine that if you're just uploading a simple invoice, right? An invoice in the form of a PDF. Now it's actually able to identify numbers, right? If you see, if I have to just do a total of this column, I can do that because they are no longer a picture. This is more of numbers that I'm dealing with, right? It's all based on the key value extraction, right? So from an invoice, I'm able to extract the values and then I'm able to work on those values, right? So the OCI document understanding automates the extraction and processing of information from documents. As we studied in the previous lecture about OCR, which is nothing but optical character recognition. So you are able to identify the certain text, right? As I told in the previous example, you are able to read the taxi word or Oracle word on certain, say, cars, right? So this is an optical character recognition technology. So this service includes, so it is included by default. So the OCR capabilities are included by default in this, which can help you to accurately convert different types of documents, including scanned images and PDFs, into editable and searchable text. Okay? And yes, it is all based, because it's AI, it's all based on NLP, which is natural language processing, which can help you to understand and interpret the context and the content within the document. And yes, it can extract specific data points such as names, dates, and financial figures, as we saw here an example. So it's able to identify the product code, right? It is a kind of a classification we are doing here, and even we are extracting the data. So it can extract specific data points and also financial figures and classify into predefined categories. And it does support various document types. So best to look at the documentation, but it supports a wide range of document types. Like you have PDFs, then it can include different types of invoices. It could be a contract, it could be a form. So we will look at all this when we take a look into the demo for this. And as with any other OCI service, it is quite scalable and secure. So you can do large volumes of documents. So you can upload large volume of documents. You can analyze those, and it is all built on or based upon the OCI platform, which is considered to be quite secure. And yes, by leveraging AI, the service enhances the accuracy of document processing and significantly reduces the time required. So obviously, like if a human being is actually processing these documents, it would take longer. But here we are saying that you have enhanced accuracy and efficiency. Normally, it is said that machines don't make mistakes, but say the humans do make mistakes. So it's considered to be far more accurate and efficient. And yes, it's applicable in various infrastructures or sectors like finance, in legal, where, as I said, you are looking at different type of contracts. You want to search for certain keywords. In finance, you are looking at several invoices. In healthcare sector, even government for tasks like compliance checks. Let's say when the government is doing, say, compliance checks on your documents or records, they want to see whether the documents are original or not. They can easily figure out any fake documents. And obviously we use for record keeping and data entry automation as well. So I think it's pretty simple. I don't have to really explain much. So all it is, you can think about it, is that you're just uploading a document like a PDF, and this intelligence service is able to extract the information, and then you are able to process the information from the documents. You can do OCR, which is character recognition as well, and it's all based on the natural language processing as well. So with this, we come to the end of OCI Document Understanding. Thanks for watching.